Sean Diddy Combs is facing new rape allegations from three.
A new civil lawsuit has been filed in New York by several men who accuse Diddy of sexually assaulting them between 2019 and 2022. One of the plaintiffs, who previously worked for Combs, claims that his former employer raped him at a hotel. Diddy's legal team has denied the allegations, asserting that they will demonstrate the claims are false. They also intend to seek sanctions against the attorney who filed the lawsuit. ABC legal contributor Brian
Meyer joins me now for more on all that. So, Brian, what do you make of these new allegations and the response from Diddy's lawyer?
So, Dan, I think at this point we are neither shocked nor surprised. These allegations flow in the same direction as we've seen from previous lawsuits, this time being three men, one of which worked for Sean Combs.
During this period, I'm not shocked or surprised because it seems like many of these plaintiffs' attorneys, both in New York and Houston, are identifying a common thread. They are attempting to emphasize the allegation that Sean Combs allegedly supplied drugs to individuals in order to then assault them. They're working to build a case around this narrative. Brian, could this civil suit have an impact?
Any of the other civil suits against Diddy or the federal criminal case against him?
So the other civil suits only in the sense of they just keep piling on top of each other, and if Sean Combs decides to try to resolve one,
he may need to address many of these cases, but regarding criminal charges, there's a possibility that they could be involved in some capacity, either as additional perpetrators or as part of a larger conspiracy. There is also the potential for federal charges as the allegations span from 2019 to 2022, meaning they are still within the statute of limitations for both state and federal charges. Meanwhile, a
federal judge decided to let Combs access to a laptop loaded with all the evidence related to his criminal sex trafficking case. What do you make of that decision, and how can they ensure that that's all he's using this laptop for, given he's already faced allegations of interfering with witnesses?
Yeah, so it's kind of common. It doesn't surprise me too much. A defendant, regardless of the allegations, should have the ability to participate in their defense, and that in part means reviewing the evidence, speaking with their attorneys, saying, hey,
I wasn't present at the time, but I have evidence to show that this is incorrect or not properly presented. What they're trying to do is carefully navigate the line to ensure he has the right to present this evidence without engaging in witness tampering. From what we've seen, they've set restrictions, allowing him to use a laptop only during specific hours, from 8:30 a.m. to 3:30 p.m., and only when interacting with his attorney or during meetings to collaborate on his defense. I don't believe the laptop will have internet access.